Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel.
With her hair so curly, I like she said, what you know about us? We about to get it on, take off them drawers.
Alright y'all, so today is going to be a little bit different. Today we are going to go from this to this. My hair is blown out. I literally just washed and blow dried it, and then I went and got my ends trimmed, so my ends are very, very fresh right now. There ain't nothing like some fresh ends. We love some fresh ends over here, you know what I mean? So you're probably thinking my hair looks really, really crazy right now, which it does, but I'm gonna show y'all my wash and go. Right now it's like 9 o'clock at night, y'all, so I'm like really tired already. Honey, I'm honestly was like this close about to go to bed, and I was like, I was not gonna record, but I was like, let me just go ahead and record this for the folks, just so y'all can see what's tea. I only use 2 products, the Camille Rose Moisture Milk and the Shea Moisture Max Hold Gel. I love and live by these 2 products, y'all, like through and through. I live and breathe by these 2 products. And I may use a little bit of the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Typically my wash and goes last between a week and a half to 2 weeks. Sometimes we can push a little bit longer, but I don't like to push it that long. I wash and deep condition my hair every week or after every time my wash and go is done. I try to get my ends trimmed every 3 months, trying to keep my hair very healthy. And after I got this huge haircut last year, I always tend to cut my hair for like no fucking reason. I'm gonna try to stop cutting my hair because I want it to get long. I want it to get like really long and like really healthy, you know? So let's get started. All right, y'all. So I'm back. I just got finished rinsing my hair, which honestly I don't think I did a good job because look at it. I like to section it off and my hair is not wet enough. So I have like low porosity hair, so it's like my hair doesn't really take in the water. So I have to like drench my hair or like heat it up so that it can absorb water and moisture and like take it in. See, so I part it in half if y'all can see. And then like I split it down the middle in the back. Always have a spray bottle on hand. You have to make sure your hair is super, super, super wet or it just won't work. And the reason why I'm putting on a lot of water right now because my hair is like really dry. With the leave-in conditioner. And I like to finger comb through my hair just to retain tension and retain any hair loss. I want to make sure that moisture gets everywhere. Some people ask about a denim brush, and like denim brushes don't really like work for my hair. I don't know what it is, but it just doesn't work for me. And get some more. This is not the prettiest process, y'all. So I hope y'all knowing this is the real deal. All right, this is the results with just the leave-in conditioner. Y'all see how bomb that look?
Do y'all see how bomb that looks?
Y'all cannot tell me that don't look bomb. Bro, I could not take myself seriously. Now that we have the leave-in conditioner all up in there, this is the part I will go in with the smoothie. Only this much. I only put it like on the top, like where the crown is, because that's typically where my hair is the driest and it feels like grass. And so I just put that in there. I don't necessarily need it, but like I like to do it because it just gets really dry right there, you know? I gotta take this off. Okay. Now that the leave-in conditioner and a little bit of Shea Moisture is in, this is when we go in with the gel, which is my favorite part. I only do like this much. Wow. You want to keep raking it through your hair just so that it's evenly distributed. Distributed. To where it's evenly throughout the hair. Add a little bit more for the bottom part. Okay, y'all, and that is it for the right side. Y'all see how bomb that look? And I like to like scrunch it to give it like a little bounce or whatever. I truly don't know what this does, y'all, but I just be seeing other people do it, so I'm like, I'm gonna do it too. But y'all see this? Should we bring the light closer so y'all can see? Juicy moisturize. Yeah. And we're gonna do the same thing here on the other side. Since your back part is like the least exciting part that people are gonna really look at, I did bigger sections. Typically in the front, you wanna do smaller sections, or you could do smaller sections throughout the entire hair. If you do smaller sections, the more definition your curls will be. Usually on the top part, I like to come right here. I just like to finger part, like I don't even need to hold. I don't need like a whole thing, just finger part it, it's fine. Same thing, we're gonna wet it. We're gonna wet this bad boy all the way through because y'all see how dry my hair already is? Like my hair does not absorb water, like it just sits on top. It's getting some of the other parts already wet. Basically, the gel's job is to just seal the moisture and seal everything in the whole like DNA of the curl. Like, look at that. Yeah, it looks straight right now, but it curls up. It's so weird. Like usually, if it comes out straight like that, it's gonna be a good curl. You see that? And now I'm gonna do the other side the same way. And then you scrunch. And scrunch it. Alright, and for these, I like to just separate it into two big parts. Alright, y'all. Same 3-step process. Alright, y'all. Last section. Same step. Water. My hair just does not like water, y'all. Bro, this sheet already looks good. And that's only the leave-in conditioner. Alright, y'all. Now we're going with the gel, the last step. Y'all see how the front really clumped together? That's why you want to go in and separate them. And we definitely want to scrunch up here. Alright, y'all. That is everything. Y'all see how bomb that look? Look at that. Honey, we got definition for sure, y'all. We got definition. And for like the last step, either you could do oil or whatever. I like to use this. The Shea Moisture Hold and Shine Mist. Just to lock everything in, you know? All right, y'all. And so like for best results, air dry is the best, but it takes like 12 hours, and who has that? I would like let it air dry just for like 10 to 15 minutes, just to let the products all sit there and get locked in. And then I'm gonna sit under a hooded dryer or a hooded diffuser. And that only takes like 10 to 20 minutes. And I just sit there and like watch TV. And I'm gonna go to bed because I'm tired. It's like 10 o'clock now. Thanks for doing my hair with me. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Alright y'all, so we're back. So this is one day after my wash and go. As you can see, this is day one hair. I know typically like in the natural world, we don't like day one hair. Like as you can see, it's very short. It's very like flat. Like she doesn't really give, you know what I mean? Typically as like the days go on, like it gets bigger, fuller, and also looks a little longer. Also y'all know I just got my ends trimmed yesterday, like literally right before doing my wash and go. So my curls look very, very short. Yeah, after you get your ends trimmed, like your hair is at the height of its healthiest. So like the curls are like so tight. And the shrinkage is real, especially after you get your ends trimmed. Like the shrinkage is so real. Like look how short that looks. Like it's not even like, it's barely even touching my shoulders when y'all really saw it here when it was all blown out. But it will get longer as like the day goes by. I'm gonna check back in tomorrow just so y'all can see like the difference that it looks as far as like day to day. I'm gonna keep checking in day after day just so y'all can see the progress. But y'all want a closer look? Can y'all even see with the lights? Maybe should I turn off? I'm gonna turn off the backlight just so we can like focus in on this. Flipped over. Oh, it looks so cute. This looks like such a cute little pixie cut. The shrinkage is just real. If y'all do want to see a video of how I do wrap my hair at night, just leave it in the comments below and we'll get to it. But I'm tired, y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Alright y'all, so this is day 2 of the hair. Sorry y'all, I'm going out so I have to really rush. But as y'all can see, it's a little bit more full. See? Definitely tell I got a haircut. But, alright y'all, I'm running late. Alright y'all, so this is day 3 of the wash and go. As y'all can see, it is a little bit more full. The definition is still there. The curls, they're a little bit more elongated, as y'all can see. Like, you probably can't see much because I have a hoodie on. Yes, y'all can see. This is day 3 of the wash and go. I think this is the last day I'm gonna update y'all on how the wash and go is going. Just because I need to post literally today. Also, typically people would like pick their hair. I never ever pick my hair because I've always wanted to like have my wash and goes last for a very long time. If I pick my hair, baby, I would have no definition. I would have none of that. Like literally, I will probably need to wash it probably the next day. But I do love the natural volume that it comes with as like the days progress. So yeah, so like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Just so y'all can follow more. Let me know if I do want to see more of hair content. Also follow my TikTok at Shiny Logan just to see the progress of how big it gets. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. See y'all later.
Uh.